Hello students, today we are going to learn science subject, chapter number 6, substances in daily uses. We learn part first before, now we are going to learn part second. In this part second, we are going to learn production of substances. Okay, so tell me what you see here. Yes, these are rubber bands. Okay, what we see here, yeah, this is a rubber and what is the material used to make eraser. We use rubber. Okay, you can see here rubber yeah, eraser, rubber ball, rubber toys and rubber tires. Okay, so the first substance is rubber, and there are two types of rubber. One is natural and another is artificial. Okay, the natural rubber we obtain from the trees, which is in form of gum or sap of tree. The rubber tree which we obtain gum or sap, we call it latex. Okay, so you can see here the name of the trees rubber, and through this cut we obtain the gum or sap and collect in a pot. Okay, so in this way we do this. You can see now the vulcanization of rubber. How we can vulcanize the rubber? For this we need to heat the rubber with sulfur, and after heating the rubber with sulfur, we can give it hardness. The amount of sulfur uh, is more, the hardness increase, and the amount of sulfur is less, the hardness also lesser. So in this way we um, will vulcanize the rubber. Okay, so you can see the example of vulcanized rubber. What is this? Yes, it is tire. So who search who research this vulcanization? The Charles Goodyear. Okay, when he is doing the experiment with the stove, that time the rubber with sulfur spilled mixture on the stove, and that time that mixture become harder and less elastic. From that time he come to experiment more and more on it, and he found the research of this vulcanization. Okay, so this is vulcanization. You can see the picture of Charles Goodyear. Okay, so you know that the rubber is a natural substance, because we obtain rubber from naturally with the source of trees. Okay, trees are in nature. Okay, so we obtain rubber from rubber trees, and for the rubber trees are found in first in Brazil. Okay, the after that the many countries plant this rubber tree, and then we can see through whole world this rubber trees. So the botanical name of rubber tree is Hevia brasiliensis. Okay, and in India, the plenty of trees, abundance trees are found in Kerala. Okay, so now tell me what you see here, as it is paper. So let us learn the production of paper. Paper we can make with the help of the kind of network of cellulose fibers which is present in grass or trees. So yeah, it's easier. Now see how is paper made. The we made paper with mostly we use while making paper we mostly use pine trees. Okay, um, after cutting the trees, the log we not to use as it is, we need to remove the bark of that log of wood, and after that wood is broken into small pieces, and this mixture we keep it with chemicals. Chemicals is kept soaking for a long period, and after this this may made fibrous substance from wood pulp are separated, and we after separated that wood pulp, uh, out of wood pulp the fibrous substances, and after that wood pulp we add some dyes, and this added dyes pulp is then passed through rollers, and after passing through rollers we need to dry it, and after dry that paper we wind it on reels. You can see the process in with help of this diagram also. You can see the trees, we cut it and make logs of wood. We need to that wood peeling the logs, or we can call debarking the logs. After that it cutted into small pieces. After it we cut it into small pieces, and that make a pulp, adding dyes. Okay, and after this pulp go through the pressing the pulp with rollers, and after it make paper, we winding the paper on reels. Okay, so this is how to make the process of paper. So you have to know also the factory to manufacture. Okay, the first factory of manufacture paper is established in Nepanagar, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and there is another factory of paper is in Songard, which is in Gujarat, and Balarpur, which is in Maharashtra. Okay, so the making paper we need trees. We need to cut trees, and this is dangerous for our life, because we know the importance of trees. So to save the trees we have to some thing to do, like do not tear up blank pages of a notebook, because if we tear the blank pages, we use more pages, we need more pages, and if we need more pages, then we cut more trees, and it is harmful our environment and our life also. Then second thing, do not throw away or burn up such paper until it has been fully utilized. You know that some papers, some bills, letters, we can left space that place places we can utilize for making a list of our groceries or other thing, and after that fully utilized, we can burn it and throw it, so we can save papers, and after all we can save trees. The third thing, we whenever possible try to use a pencil and slate. You know that if we use a pencil and slate, yeah, we can reuse, we can rub after writing, and we can reuse many times, so there is not unlimited, we can use unlimited, so in this way we can save paper, and after all we can save trees. The fourth one is cooperate with people who collect paper from garbage or busy scrap paper. You know that if we can recycle paper, and these people can help our environment, we can collect that paper, and we can make uh, recycle paper, so it is also we can save trees, so it is our helpful, so cooperate with such people. um, okay, thank you.